We back alive. We back alive, guys. Man, we took a wonderful trade here, guys. Oh, but you know what the issue is? We took the trade, and then the live session just cut us. After cutting us, take profit was already hit. That's the crazy part. Take profit was already hit here. All right, so let me just send this to the group quickly. Ah man, man, this was gonna be an amazing session, guys. I was dancing for y'all. Everything was amazing. Just hey man, I guess it is what it is, right? But yeah, we took the sales. If you guys watched the previous sessions here, so if you guys watched the previous session, you guys saw the sell, right? You saw my sell stops and everything. You saw everything here. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to, lock in. Hey, tough man, tough man. I wasn't able, like, yo guys, yeah, no, this thing is stressing me out. I don't wanna lie, like, I don't wanna lie. It's stressing me out, but we'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed. We will fix it for sure. But yeah, I think like a few days left for my Wi-Fi to arrive, and everything else will be okay. But yeah, the cells are still valid, guys. If you wanna open a cell now, I think we're still looking money. I think we're still looking money here. But yeah, I can't open a trade. I already took my trade for the day. Ah man. Hey man, if you witness that, yeah, you know what the chat is, you know we on fire, you know. Yeah, you know. Hey man, that was yeah one of the best trades. One of the best trades here this week. And for that we are up. For that we are up, guys. Look at this move. Sheesh. Yeah, I had my take profit somewhere around here. Yeah. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at the move, guys. Oh man. Goldie, goldie, goldie. Yeah. I guess the move is already done here. Let me see. Let's see, guys, if we can catch another move here. Obviously, doing this session, but yeah, I think the moves are done. But yeah, the possibility of getting another move here is still there. Uh, Guys, I'm not happy with this Wi-Fi, guys. But I already announced it to y'all. Y'all know what the chat is. You guys know I'm waiting for a few days for the Wi-Fi to get fixed here. So, guys, let us update this thing. Hey, let us update this thing. Let us update the win rate here. Are you guys ready? Are y'all ready? Oh man, are you guys ready for me to update the win rate and show y'all how up I am. This is me updating the win rate here currently on a live session. I'm trying to show you all guys how up we are here. 80%. That's the win rate here. Clean, 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 clean. Clean, guys, clean. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. 80% win rate here. Look at that. 80% win rate. Clean, guys. 8 wins since we started going live here. 8 wins since we started going live. 2 losses, 3 BE, and 80% win rate. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. This is beautiful, guys. 8 wins, 2 losses, 3 BE, and 80% win rate. I told y'all, guys, I wanted to end the live. I wanted to end the week on 90% win rate, but yeah, we ending the week on 80% win rate. W on that, guys. W on that. Do you guys see what discipline does? Do you guys see what discipline can do for a person here? Hey man, discipline can make you fly high here. Discipline can make you fly high. Hey guys, that was a wonderful move here on the 15. Yeah, basically we had our sell stops somewhere around here, right? If you guys can recall properly, this was the candle that I had my sell stops in on, right? I had my sell stops right here. And guess what happened? When the live stream ended, price just ripped and gave us this beautiful sell move here. Unfortunately, the moves already played out. Yeah, unfortunately, the moves already played out, guys. But this was a wonderful sell here. 80% win rate. 80. 80. Just imagine. Just imagine. Yeah, man. We cannot be fugazi here. The proof is in the pudding. Watch my previous live sessions if you want to see proof. The proof is in the pudding. If you want to see proof, watch my previous live sessions and you will see that this is the sell. This is the move for Friday here. Yeah, and I'm still pretty much bearish for the most part here. I'm still bearish for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, price has already moved too higher. Let me see if we can capture one more move here. If it's 40 pips, I think it's guys 30 pip, a 30 pip move, a 30 pip move. Yeah, man. Let me just do it for y'all. Let me do it for y'all, man. Let me do it for y'all, man. Let me do it for y'all watching the live stream here, man. I'm still bearish, guys. I'm still bearish. Let me do it for y'all. If price comes back in this area, guys, I'll take this last 30 pips here. One last 30 pip for y'all. 30 pips for y'all, guys. Right? I'm just doing it for the live stream, guys. None too major, none too crazy. I'm just doing it for the live stream. Yeah. But yeah, my stops are gonna be high here, unfortunately. Oh my goodness. The stops are gonna be ew. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look at the 15. Maybe the 15 can give me better stops here. All right, even the 15 is not giving me any good looking stops. So I will just base it off of the 5. The 5 is the lowest I can go. Yeah, man. Anything that can push lower here, I'll just take this $70 here just for the live stream. And then yeah, we'll see. We'll see when we arrive in these areas how I will, play around with these with this right here. But as for now, I don't have any stops. Obviously, these stops are too high. I'll just let's look at the 5, guys. Let's look at the 5 minute and see whether price will come back here. But hey, man, that was the move, guys. That was the move. So this is the 5 minute. Oof, oof, ripped, ripped. We are moneyed here. But yeah, I already did the top down analysis. I already did everything. So I don't know if you guys want me to do the top down analysis again. How are y'all feeling? Do you guys want me to check out the top down analysis one more time? Or are you guys happy with the previous session here? And unfortunately, the Wi Fi did us dirty. But then, yeah, man, we killed it here today. We killed it. This was the best move of the week here. Yeah. 4 days of not trading. Four. And one beautiful move. You guys don't get it. You guys don't get it. You guys don't get it. I can chill 15 days, guys, with no trade. Like I can chill 15 days, no trade. Like literally 15 days chilling, just sitting like this, watching the market. Right? Until I get my move. Once I get my move, hey man, the markets will know who I am. The markets will know who I am once that move plays out. But yeah, I have my sell stops around this area here. And yeah, I'm just waiting for price to break these lows and potentially move lower here. Saw it. Yeah, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fire, guys. Fire. I took the trade. I took that trade. That was crazy. That was crazy, guys. Craziest move. W session, of course. Let's go on a Friday. A W session on a Friday, guys. Chilled, man. Chilled. Unbothered. Unbothered here. Unbothered, guys. But yeah, we're gonna catch this last move here. If price comes back in these areas, breaks these lows, we're gonna catch this last move here. Or maybe let me redraw the plan here on the 15 here. Let me redraw the plan on the 15 and we will take the sales at least above this area here. But I am very, 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 very bearish. Yeah, man. Yeah. I am very bearish here, guys. Very bearish here. All right, let me check it out. Let's see what type of closure we're gonna get you on the 15. One thing that I'm noticing about the 15 is that we have a closure in these areas here. Oh, yeah. I mean, once we get closures above here, I'll be expecting something like a fake out here for price to keep on potentially moving lower here. But yeah, man, I'm still on with the sales, and yeah, I'm open for trades that are going to be bearish here. But yeah, man, we're sitting on an 80% win rate. I'm not gonna risk that for a mere trade here, a mere looking trade. I cannot risk like that. Oh man, guys, I might just end this live session soon, guys. Yeah, I don't wanna. I don't want to find myself taking stupid trades here, stupid moves. Price did its thing, hey. Goldie, do your thing, go. Do your thing. Do your thing, go. Do your thing, hey. Do your thing, go. That's what Goldie did here. Beautiful move. And now we're sitting on 80% win rate. Yeah, man, the numbers will just keep on growing here, obviously. So since we're sitting on 80% win rate here, we'll see what the next move will be, obviously. And if price keeps on pushing here, hey man, we are moneyed. We are moneyed. I would love to see moves here. I'd love to see way better moves than what is playing yeah, than what is playing out right now, right? But yeah, 8 wins, 2 losses, 3 BE, and that's that. That's that, man. That's that. And right now, if you get a break below again, money here, money. But yeah, I'm going low risk here, low risk, very low, not too crazy here. $90, and then I'm out for the week. Hey, you guys gotta subscribe, man. You guys gotta subscribe. Hey, you missing out. If you're not subscribed, hey man, you're missing out. You're missing out. If your bell notification is not hit yet, hey man, you don't know what you're missing, man. Hey, you're missing out on the best Forex channel on YouTube. Soon to be the best Forex channel on YouTube. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. Next time you see an 80% win rate of a person trading live here, you will know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's me here. That's me. And hey man, do your thing, man. Yeah, we got this, man. We got this. We got the game on our palm, man. We got it. I'm telling y'all. I'm not even shying away from saying this. I'm telling y'all, and it's a fact that you guys will witness it. Watch my live streams and you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah. We're just having problems with the Wi-Fi, but I already called my network provider. I told them how much I don't appreciate them, and yeah, I'm canceling this current network provider. I'm going to be using a different one starting in 14 days. I'm just waiting for them to deliver. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to deliver my Wi-Fi, man, and then we're gonna be streaming on 1080p. Nothing less than that. We're gonna be streaming on 1080p daily here. Yeah, guys, at the break of these lows, guys, I'll be open to take these sales, probably push towards these areas here and take $90. This is like a young 30 pip move, and that'll be it for me. That'll be it for me. But yeah, we're gonna be streaming on 1080p. Actually, what is the other one? What is the other one? 220? Yeah, 220p. We'll be streaming on 220p, guys. We'll be streaming on 220p. Yeah, these are my last days using this Wi-Fi, guys, because every time I'm live, it has to cut us. And on a Friday like this was a beautiful session. Wow. Did you guys see that cell, guys? This was a beautiful session. Like if you see my previous live session, this is where I opened the cell, guys. Like in this area here. Let me just see. It was a 15-minute cell. Right here on this candle specifically. This was the move, guys. On this candle specifically. Specifically this candle. This is where I took my sell, right? Specifically, like this is a clear exhaustion candle, right? I had my sell stop somewhere around here. I let price do its thing above here. This wasn't my trade, right? I let price do its thing, push up, push up. I wasn't in. And then the moment this new candlesticks open, it just ripped here. Ripped. Look at that. Moneyed. moneyed. I made a killing here. Simple trade. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. I based it off of the 1 hour though. The entry was on the 15th, but I was looking at the 1 hour for like a bigger picture, right? I did see that price was basically still pushing lower here. Even if we did create that top wick first, obviously that's what we wanted to see. Price creating that top wick first. And this was going to be my stops here around these areas here. And price just ripped here. W trade, man. W trade. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting for price to come back lower, break these lows, and potentially keep on moving here. Yeah, it's gonna take time, you know. We know the impatient traders are getting stopped out up here. Us we chilling. We are chilling. Yeah, we're just waiting for the impatient traders to lose money and give it back to us. Yeah, another potential sell stop I might have here after this candle closes. I just want to see a lower wick here, obviously. Once we see a lower wick, I would probably give my trade more room here, and I'll have my sell stop around this area for price to keep on pushing lower. But as for now, I want to see what this candle wants to do. If we get a clean lower wick, a closure back inside the range here, I will be open to taking those sells. And that would be my trade here. And then if you're not subscribed, you're missing out. Hey man, if you're not subscribed, hey, good luck with your gurus out there. Guru traders. Good luck with those ones. One of those. One of those. Uh yeah, man. We see them. We see them. We see them. Guru traders. Y'all love them way too much, guys. Just because they're showing you cars and luxury things, and just because I'm not showing you any luxury car, I'm not showing you any luxury anything, actually, for that point. I'm not showing you any luxury anything. Yeah, I'm not even showing you how my bathroom looks like. Uh, so you don't trust me, right? You guys trust the ones who show you all the flashy, flashy. Good luck. Good luck with the flashy guys. Good luck. Yeah, we modest this side. This side, modest channel. You guys are gonna see me wearing this same jacket for the whole winter, right? I obviously wash it. Come on. But you guys are gonna see me wearing this same jacket every live stream. This is my favorite jacket. You guys see that? Obviously, different t-shirts, obviously, different clothes, but same jacket, right? And you guys are gonna see me not post anything crazy, right? Not no cars, no flashy anything. Just this the modest guy, chilled guy, you know? Yeah. That's what you're gonna see from this channel, man. But you know what else? You know what's important? The most important thing that you're gonna witness from this channel is results. I mean, if you're not down for results, unfortunately, that's your problem, man. There's nothing I can do, man. There's literally nothing I can do. If you want to see cars and Lamborghinis and all those type of things, this is not the channel for you. But if you want to see results, right? If you want to see the trades taken in real time, this is the channel to be in. Like literally, man. Right? We trade in real time. Like, yeah, that's how powerful that's how powerful this channel is. That's why I'm saying this is the future best Forex channel. You guys just watch the space. Watch the space. Watch what I'm talking about, right? Because we give results, nothing else. Pure, clean results here. Nothing fugazi here. If you're gonna come with your fugaziness, yeah, this is the wrong place to be in, man. If you're gonna come with your fugazi, hey man, this is not the channel to be in. And if you think Lamborghinis is success, good luck. I'm modest. I'm more like Jay-Z, man. I don't flaunt. I don't go around, talking about, what I'm saying? Like the proof is in the pudding. It's in the results, guys. Like when you are looking at the charts here with me, right? I will give you a trade that makes sense. I'll give you the reason why I'm opening the trade, and we will take profits here. And you can see it in the results. 80% win rate. Go ahead and check my previous live sessions if you think I'm capping. Yeah, go ahead and you will see what I'm talking about. An 80% win rate. No need to lie. No need to be fake here. Why? 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 Why should I show you a Lamborghini and not show you my win rate? Or why? Wait for you to pay for a course, man. I'm not even selling one. Uh, I'm not even selling a course. I'm just trading live here. Yeah, I'm just trading live here. But yeah, guys, the sales would look good at the break of these lows here. Anything that moves above here is not my trade, right? I'm basing this off of the 1 hour here. Looking at the 1 hour here, we still look clean to keep on pushing. But if we do get a closure, right? Excuse me, if we do get a closure, something like this on the next candle here, right? For example, then my trade would probably be a sell just somewhere around here at the range. Why? Because we do understand that price might just give us a fake out here, right? I'm bearish overall. Like, yeah, my trades are bearish for the rest of the days. Like anything, any sales that I see today, I'm taking them with, with no hesitation, right? Look at the weekly here. The weekly literally told us, nope, I'm not going above, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like if you look at the weekly right here, right? Right here, resistance. Do you guys see? I mean, support, previous resistance, previous support. Right now, it's current resistance. So why should I take the buys here? Like, I mean, why? Why would I do that? I don't get it, right? So I'm on with the sales here. I'm on with the sales. Let's look at the daily here. The daily, same thing. Bam, previous resistance, right? Previous support. My bad. Previous support, current resistance. Why? Why? Why would I take the buys? Why? Don't make sense. 4 hour here. Look at that. Sell, 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 sell. This is a trend line, right? Right? Did you guys get that? Like if I draw a trend line right now, right here, right? I'm just dropping some gems, but you guys know that the real gems are dropped during Asian session. Right now, I'm just dropping a few, syllabus so that you guys can understand where I'm coming from. Do you guys see these cells? Right? Do you want to see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a downtrend? Look at that. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Like these are just correlations here. Correlations. Look at the 1 minute time frame. Look at that. Oh, money. Do you guys see that? You guys will think I'm fugazi. You guys will think I'm playing around here. Hey man, we locked in. We locked in. Y'all just don't understand. Yeah, y'all think we're playing here. Look at that. Oh man. Clean trend here. Clean. You guys are out here thinking we're playing around here. Hey man. Ooh. Ooh, nasty. Why should I go in the buys when you can clearly see that we are looking bearish here? Why? Why should I go in the buys when we're in a downtrend? Like we've been in a downtrend since yesterday, Thursday. Look at that, right? Look at that. Look at these moves, guys. The sells make sense. They just make sense. Let's look at the 15. Ooh, way better. Way better. Oh man. Look at that money here. Money. Look at that. Price just keeps pushing. Touching our this area, touching support, coming back, sell. Right? Come here, sell. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. I'm a bear. Look at these buys. Who got in the buys? I know someone went in the buys. I know. But right now we're rejecting. Obviously, if you do get a break below this area, guys, I'm on here. I'm on with these sales. Obviously, just taking $90 here. Yeah, but price is gonna take time a bit. We just have to be patient a little here. And you know what's crazy, guys? Like, let me be honest with y'all. I know most of y'all are always watching my trades here, right? I know most of y'all always watching my charts. I know that the ones who view me on a daily basis, I'm telling you guys, the ones who think we ain't doing it right, they're gonna come back. I'm telling you, the naysayers, the non-believers, they're gonna come back to this channel and they're gonna be like, actually, let me just sit and watch this guy and see what he's talking about. I'm telling you guys will be surprised when we have like 100 views. You guys will be surprised the moment we touch 1,000 views. You guys will be surprised. You guys will be surprised. You guys will be like, oh, actually, Larry said it. He said it. Like, even the people who were like, just watching and just skipping, watching and skipping. And, those people who just come on your channel and they're like, who's this, man? And no name, let me skip. Those ones are the ones who are going to come back and watch and be like, hey, actually, yeah, I'm just patiently waiting for them. You know what I'm saying? I don't blame them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't blame them. If I'm a no name for now, obviously, people won't take me serious. But I know for a fact that won't last long. That is not gonna last long. And the moment I'm a name, they'll be like, hey man, where have you been all this? I've been here. I've been here. We've been doing this thing. We've been trading. We've been trading. I've been in this game, right? The non-believers, the naysayers. Yeah. I've been trading for 7 years. I'm not new. I'm not new here, right? I understand price action. I know how to draw trend lines. I know how to do all of these things. I know. I've been trading Fibonacci's before, guys. I was trading Bollinger Bands before. I was trading all these things. And you know what I found to be nice? You know what I found to be good? Support and resistance. That's the best. Support and resistance is the best for me, right? It made sense for me. And I've been trading that for 2 years now. Just support and resistance. Been trading that for 2 years. I have my clean setups here. I have everything in play. Yeah, guys, like right now the channel only gets like 4 views, 3 views, 2 views, 1 view, 15, maximum, like the maximum views that I've had so far is like 30. Is it 30 views? I think so, yeah. I think something like 30 views, right? Something like 30 views max. When we're about to touch 100. That's a fact. That's a fact. We're about to touch 100 views. We're about to touch 1,000 views. We're about to touch 10,000 views live trading. I'm telling you guys. Subscribers, even worse. I'm predicting a score of like 80,000 subscribers worldwide on this channel here. Watching me trade live. Look at the win rate. I'm speaking things that I'm speaking things into reality here. Look at the win rate. And yeah, man, I want you to clip this video. I want you to clip this video and show it to me in the next few years, few months, few weeks, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. The changes are gonna happen, and they're gonna happen drastically because we're not fake traders. We're not fake gurus. We're professional, right? We're professional and we trade according to the plan. We're not out here trying to get people's money. You know what I'm saying? We're not out here trying to, fake it till we make it. We're not out here, trying to drive crazy cars, trying to look rich so that people can buy our cars. Nah, man, if you feel like my modesty is not good enough, unfortunately, that's not the channel. This is not the channel for you. I don't even have a car. I don't even drive. I have a license. I do drive, obviously, but I don't drive my cars. Don't even have a car. Will I buy one? Of course. Will I promote it? No. Why should I? Why should I promote a car for you to be able to want to fall into this trading? Why should I show you beautiful things for you to want to be a part of trading? Why can I not just trade and let you decide whether you want to be a part of trading or not without showing you anything, just the charts and results? Because the real results come from the charts, not the car. Because the car is not the results. Yeah, the car is not the results. I'm not gonna be fugazi. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna come here and try and give you guys fake information. The car and the Lamborghini is not the chart, right? If I show you a Lamborghini, right? If I show you a Lamborghini and tell you to buy my cars, I'm actually asking you to pay for my bills. Because I can rent it out. Like guys, if I really wanted to be the influencer trader that you guys are expecting, I can go rent out a BMW X6 today, right? After renting it out, I'd be like, hey guys, watch me in my new car, my new whip, 15,000 views right now. Damn, get y'all to pay for my to pay for my mentorship, right? I can do that. Like literally, I can go rent out a car right now. Like there's a lot of car dealerships where I live here. I can go rent it out. Guys, I can take my license, literally ask for a test drive and take a video in the whip. And be like, yeah, guys, if you really want to be successful, you guys gotta come on, man. Come on. Are you guys ready to are you guys are people that slow? If I show like guys, if I show you a whip, I'm literally asking you to pay for my bills, right? But if I'm showing you the charts right now and I'm showing you real results, I'm trading here in front of you, in front of people here, right? People who are risking their money. Like that's the most important thing. If I'm trading in front of people who are risking their cash, real cash, and I'm making cash online in real time, then you guys gotta understand that yeah, there's something here, right? There's something. I'm probably not one of the fake gurus. Ah man, yeah, yeah, yeah. So if we do get a closure, right? If we do get a closure back above like this, guys, I would have my stop loss somewhere around. I mean, I'd have my sell stop somewhere around here, and potentially wait for price to push back lower here and give me profits around these areas here, right? Yeah, this would be a nice sell move for me, and that would be the last move I take for the day. This would probably be the last move I take for the day here. But hey, man, who am I? Who am I? Hi, how are you? I'm Larry, and good things happen to me. Only good things happen to me. Only great things happen to me. Hi, how are you? Like, yeah, man, I'm just a nobody. You know what I'm saying? I'm just spitting my peace of mind. I'm just giving you guys what I think is accurate, and I'm not necessarily I'm not the end all be all type of trader. I'm not gonna tell you guys I'm the holy grail. Right? I'm just a modest trader with a modest lifestyle, with a clean, attire. I come here looking modest, and I'm not flashy, and I'm not even looking to be flashy. And if I do get those cars and if I do get those whips and those Lambos, obviously it'll be a part of the life that I'm living here based on the charts, right? That'll be based on the charts, right? And if I do get that life, right, so be it, right? So be it. But I don't have to show you a car. I don't have to show you a house for you to believe in this trading thing, right? I'm just going to show you a chart and I'm going to show you results. That's the only thing I can provide for you. And if that's not good enough, then go ahead and go check those cars, those guys who are driving the fast waves. Good luck. Good luck. But if a person is not showing you a chart and if a person is not trading live here, you gotta ask yourself many questions about that person, right? I mean, you gotta you gotta you gotta observe, guys. You gotta observe. Use your mind. Yeah, I've been yapping here. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been yapping. Oh my goodness. A 15-minute yap. Uh, 15-minute yap just talking. Hope I'm not talking nonsense. Uh, hope I'm not talking nonsense. Right. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's see the type of closure we're gonna get here. Obviously, we want to see the type of closure first, and then once we get that closure, guys, yeah, I'll be interested in taking a move here, right? But as for now, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. I don't want price to tap me in before we get that move. Yeah, I want to see the closures back inside the range here. Once we get the closure inside the range, this would look money here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goldie Goldie. Oh man. Yeah. You know what the nice part is, guys? You know what the nice part is? There's a lot more people that I'm teaching who are not even live right now. Like literally. Like as we speak right now, I have a student chilling right here, learning. So, hey, man, that would be a tough repetition. That would be a tough repetition for me to build if I have to be a losing trader here. Hey, I would have, man, tough, right? So, hey, man, losing is not even in the plans. All right, guys, we just got a closure above the range here. Yeah, we got a closure above the range here. Obviously, I'm not expecting price to push up here. What I'm expecting to see, right? I'm just gonna draw it up here for you guys. I'm expecting to see price basically close back inside the range here, right? Yeah, I'm expecting to see price close back inside the range. Something similar to this. Once we get this closure, obviously the sales would look money to keep on pushing lower here. This would be the trade I take, right? So one last candle. Let's see how the 15 closes here. But this would be a nice fake out move, right? I know we closed above the range, but that doesn't necessarily mean we up for the buys here. The buys are not valid for me, right? Yeah, you just need to look at the trend, right? Why should I take the buys when we are trending when we are in a downtrend? We've been in a downtrend since Thursday here. Why would I want to take a buy? That wouldn't make sense. So yeah, let me just delete this order here, and then I will wait for price to basically come back, close back below here, right? Once price comes back and closes back below, I'll be interested in taking those sales and waiting for price to basically push here. The best Forex live session on YouTube. Let's go. You understand what I'm talking about? Yeah, 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 yeah. W Gator Gator. What's up, Gator? J2J. W man, W. Yeah. I don't know. Do you guys want me to give you guys a top-down analysis again, or are you guys comfortable with everything that I drew up here? Because if you guys are looking for another top-down analysis, I don't mind doing that. You know what I'm saying? Just give you guys another like clear picture again on how price is moving and what we are expecting to see and all those good things. Yes. All right. Okay. So let me delete everything. Yeah. Let me delete everything. Yeah. Let me delete everything. 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 Delete everything. Yeah. Okay. So another thing is, guys, you see, if we do not draw trend lines and all those type of things, all those good things, like if you look at the chart like this, it might confuse you, right? You might see like something like this. You'd be like, oh, I see a double bottom here. Okay, I'm interested in the buys. But no, no, no. No way, no Jose. Relax, right? So if a chart is clear, I understand why people would feel some type of way, right? I understand why people would be like wouldn't understand what's actually happening, right? So you always need to come back and look at the bigger picture. So all right, back to the daily time frame here. What are we expecting to see, right? Okay, yeah, the previous candle was bullish, but that doesn't necessarily mean we are bullish, right? We do see that the previous candle was bullish. Yeah, the previous daily candle closed bullish, right? But one thing that we noticed here today is that it closed bullish, but it tapped target somewhere around these areas here. We do see that we have a previous support, right? So based on that previous support and price action, looking at the 4 hour time frame here, we see that price basically since then, right, since then has been pushing lower. Obviously, price hasn't been pushing lower in a clean way, right? So we do see that with it pushing lower here, there's been a lot of chop, right? Like right now, price is basically grabbing these buys here for potential pushes back below, right? And that's one thing that you need to understand, that price will not always give you these clean moves. Like for example, like you see these cells were much cleaner here, right? But price will not always give you these type of moves here. So you need to be careful um when you are looking at the charts, right? Sometimes you're gonna get moves like this, right? You're gonna get moves like this, even if you are bearish here. Looking at the 4 time frame, right? You see that price is bearish, but you know when you zoom in, right, on the lower time frames here, you will find a lot of chop. What do I mean by finding a lot of chop? I mean you're gonna come through and find things that are similar to this, right? Where's that? Oh yeah, this. A lot of chop means liquidity, right? You're gonna find a lot of moves like this, right? Even though we are going down, but this is how we're gonna go down, right? This is how we are basically gonna go down. Usually people are expecting to see moves like these, right? And sometimes you do get moves like this on the market, right? But it is not common because we do know that we have institutional traders, we have all these type of traders, right? So usually price will do this, come up, wake up and push down, come up again, push down again, come up, push down. So these are the type of moves you will see on the lower time frames here, right? Because we do understand that there's top in the market, right? The market will not always give you clean moves, even though you have your direction correct, even though you know that price is potentially going to move lower here. But based on a lot of aspects on the lower time frame, you might just find yourself losing trades, right? You need to be careful of that. You might just find yourself losing, even though you see that I'm bearish, right? Potentially price will just tap your stop loss and move in your direction. You'll be like, oh my goodness, my stop loss just tapped. Right now it's going to the sales. Oh, I was correct. So why did I do wrong? And the next time, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna give yourself a boost, right? And be like, okay, now I understand. I know how to read direction. No stop loss. That's where you blow your account. So you need to be careful of that. Most of the time, people lose their money during those times, right? People lose their money during those sessions where they are like no stop loss, or where people are like, all right, I see the trend, but you will not know where to enter, right? So looking at the high time frames doesn't necessarily mean um the cells active at that particular time, right? So you always need to look at the lower time frames here. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame here and see what the 1 hour time frame has in store for us here. All right, the 1 hour time frame looks clean here, but look at that. Look at these moves, right? This is the chop that I'm talking about, right? You start seeing the chop on the lower time frames, right? We do see that we are bearish, right? You do see that we are bearish. But what happens when price decides to do this, right? And come back down and do this again and come back down and eventually move down. So these points here, these moves, this is where most traders lose their money, right? These points, this is where most traders lose their money. So it's not that you don't know how to read the markets, right? The problem is the entries because you don't understand why price is moving like this, right? So with time, obviously in the markets, obviously you're gonna start understanding why the markets move like that, and you're gonna be more comfortable with waiting, right? That's why I can go a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, or even 6 days, right? 7 days without even taking a trade at all, right? When I'm sitting here and chilling and I'm like, okay, guys, no trade day, no trade day, no trade day. People find that weird, right? People don't understand why I'm like, no trade day, no trade day, no trade day. What's that chatter all about, right? So, yeah, when we look at the lower time frames here, we do understand that we have chop, right? So when price closes bullish like this during a downtrend, right? We do know that we are in a downtrend. We do know that we are bearish. We have a bearish bias, right? And you draw up your range, right? You always draw up your closest range, right? You always look at the closest range. You see that, okay, okay, now we are bearish. We do see that price did push lower, but look at that. Before price pushed lower, what did it do, right? Let's say you were in the sales somewhere in this range, right? This is liquidity, right? If you are in the sales somewhere in this range, look at that. These are the moves that basically make people lose, right? Liquidity grab, right? If you were in the buys, this was probably another liquidity grab for you, right? If you're in the buys, another liquidity grab, right? Because price pushes and it comes back in the range. Price pushes and then it comes back in the range before price potentially chooses its potential original direction here. So you need to be aware of all of this chop, right? In order for you to enter the market cleanly here, right? This chop is very dangerous. You need to make sure that you stay out of the market, you relax, and you give yourself time to understand the moves here, right? Patience pays, right? I always say, plan the trade and trade the plan. That is my slogan, guys, right? Plan the trade and trade the plan. Always you find the market doing things like this, right? I am very bearish, right? These buys are not for me, right? If we get a closure above here, man, I know, I know. I've been in the market for 7 years, but I do know another potential move is going to be something like this, right? And then those sales are going to play out. And when the sales play out, they play out very rough here, right? they move, right? You see, you find that price was going up slowly, slowly. Okay, let me just draw up an example here before we go to the 30 minutes so that you guys understand what I'm talking about, right? You find that price is going up slowly here, nicely here, right? And people are starting to look bullish here. People are like, oh, price is bullish, right? You see price moving slowly up and up and up and up and up like this, and like, oh my goodness, okay, okay. I think the buys make sense, right? This is where they trap you, right? This is where they trap you. This is where you're like, oh, okay. Nah, man, this looks like clean buys. This looks like clean buys, right? But because we are bearish, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna enter your buys in this area, right? Is that horizontal rate? Yeah, you're gonna enter your buys maybe probably somewhere in this area here, right? And then now you're in profits, and then you feel comfortable. You don't know when to take your trades. You just you swim in profits. You look good. You feel good, right? You feel good. And then because we are in a downtrend and the sales are the ones that are going to play out, this is what price would do, right? Rough. You would get this rough move, right? Afterwards. And then you would be like, yo, but I saw direction. I thought we were going up, but no, right? We are bearish, right? We are bearish. Why are you in the buys when we are bearish? This is where price would just rip, right? Rip. And then the ones who are in the sales, the professional traders, the ones who understand where price wants to move, the ones who understand how price wants to react here will make money, right? And then after that, after this move, this is where you start seeing price slow down again, right? Price starts slowing down again, and then you start getting these moves, right? The buys again, right? And then price starts playing around and doing all of this, right? So this is how the market pretty much moves, guys. You guys need to understand that this type of price action always plays out in the market. This type of price action always happens, and patience will pay you, right? All right, let's move on to the 30-minute time frame here. Obviously, we do see that we are bullish, currently bullish, but not the full bias, not the full bias, right? So let's look at the 30-minute time frame here and see how price is moving currently. Right. So, right, this was the previous range, and price is actually moving bullish here. But you know what's the nice part? The nice part about it is price is moving bullish. But if you look at this candle here, we still closed back inside the range. And the nice part is we do have a range 2 here and a potential range 3 here. So obviously we do see that price is just playing around in this area. So you need to be careful, right? And there's another range 4. So any move that happens right here, if you want to grab it, good luck. It's up to you, right? But we are bearish. We do know the where the moves are going, and we do know where the potential money is, right? So all of this becomes noise to the professional trader, right? To the professional eye, all of this becomes noise. All of this becomes unnecessary, right? So let's look at the 15 here and see how the 15 played out here. Yeah, the 15 played out pretty well here. I'm expecting to see the next candlestick basically push lower here. If we do get a fake out, I'm open for the sales here, right? A nice fake out back inside the range here. A nice fake out back inside the range, and the next candlestick potentially moving lower. This would look money here. This is the potential move we might get, right? And these are the cells that trap a lot of people. These are the moves I've been talking about, right? These type of moves, right? These are the type of moves that trap people because, right, you can be bullish, right? You can enter the bias, but you are counter trend trading. You need to understand that. And counter trend trading has a lot of mistakes, right? We see people failing a lot when they counter trend trade, right? Because now you think we are bullish, now you want to get in the buys, but you don't understand the overall trend, right? You don't understand the overall trend is bearish. So when the overall trend is bearish, relax. Let the moves play out, right? Let the moves play out and then enter when the market allows you to, right? So yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's simple. Like trading is simple, guys. Trading is the most simplest thing you can ever do. I'm lying. I'm lying. It becomes easy when you know what you do. You know what I'm saying? It becomes easy when you understand what you do, right? But it's not that simple. It's not as simple as everyone makes it seem to be, especially the ones who drive these cars and give you guys fake information here. And now I hope you guys understand now way how I read the market here and how I came up to this um um idea. Now I hope you guys understand how I came up to this idea, right? We are still bearish. Why get in the buys? Obviously, the buys made sense. Like especially like let's say for example we closed somewhere around here, we created support and price started moving up. But you know what the unfortunate part is when price moved up like this, we have no wick here, right? Price just created pushes without a wick, right? I can draw the wick for price, yeah. And this would have been a nice counter trend trade, yeah, if we had a lower wick, price pushing back above, closures back inside the range, and this would be a full TP somewhere around here. Yeah, you can still trade that. I mean, it's not a problem. You can still trade that, right? But if you want cleaner moves that are not risky like this, like A plus setups, you need to look at the trend. How do you find the Trend? Look at your daily time frame, like literally, and you will see your trend. Look at your daily time frame, and you will know your trend, right? Come to the daily, and you will know your trend. What's your trend? Hmm? Besides even looking at this area here, what's your overall trend? Where is gold going here? Is it going up or down based on what you see? So now I hope you guys understand the smaller details, right? These are the small details that make you a winner in trading, right? Not just impulsively taking trades here thinking, oh yeah, man, I see a buy. Buy. What? What? You see a buy and you just buy it. Okay. All right. Good luck. You know what I mean? Like, all right, good luck. But yeah, this is the potential fake out that I was looking for, right? Price coming back and closing back inside here. And then from there, the sells might be valid depending on the closure, guys. If we get a closure somewhere close to resistance here, right? Usually, when we get a closure close to resistance, right? Price tends to play around in this area here before taking a clear move, right? Price might just come back up again, create these type of wicks, right? And then give us another closure properly, like somewhere around here, right? If price does something like this, like if it closes close to the range, I don't go into the sells, right? I wait for price to play around near the range, do its thing, give me a clean closure, and then from there, that's when I would take my sells pushing down here, right? And this would be a clean move here for me. And sometimes if it closes like this, then you would get like these small candles, building up, playing around, until a certain time, right? You would see something like this, right? You'd see something like this, right? Before the original move comes through, right? So patience pays. And then, only then, when you see something, like this, only then you can be interested in taking these moves, these sells, right? Yeah, guys, this is my first time dropping gems during New York session. I usually drop gems during Asian session, so subscribe and make sure that you tap your bell notification. And if you're up during Asian session, man, that's where, man, I drop bombshells, right? Yeah, I'm just teasing y'all. I'm just giving y'all a little taste on what I understand about the market here, right? But yeah, usually price likes to play around something similar to this. Obviously, it won't give you guys exactly what I drew up, but I'm just giving you a clear picture on what price usually tends to do, right? So yeah, in the next 6 minutes here, we're gonna get a closure here. It's gonna be a fake out. I said it already, right? I did say that we're potentially gonna come back in the range, and yeah, let's see what we do inside this range here. If price gives us a closure near resistance, then I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. But if price pushes nicely here and gives us a clean closure based on our price action here, then I might be interested in taking those sales here. So I'm gonna have my sell stops ready here, and I will wait for price to do its thing here before entering. Yeah, you guys tell me, what would you rather choose? Person showing you a degree, right? An engineer who comes and shows you a degree and says, guys, I'm a I'm an engineer and I know how to build a bridge, for example, right? Or do you go for someone who has pictures of bridges and and money and tells you, hey guys, I'm an engineer and I'll draw up the best bridge. I feel like you'd go for the engineer, right? I feel like you would go for the engineer guy who actually knows what they're doing, who has real qualifications, who has proof on paper, right? Who has proof on paper, someone who's going to show you proof on paper, showing you exactly how the bridge must look or how the bridge is going to be built. Or do you guys want someone who doesn't have proof but states it and shows you money in exchange? So if I feel like if you're smart, you would literally go to the engineer to go build that bridge for you. You'd go to the engineer to go build that house for you. You look for qualifications. Why do you guys look for qualifications in engineering skills, in people who build houses for y'all, in people who fix your cars and all those type of things, but you guys don't look for qualifications when it comes to trading? And since when a car and a luxury lifestyle is a qualification, come on, guys. Ah, man. People are funny. People are funny. And guys, I'm not the best trader. I've seen people who trade better than me. Like I'm just trading technical analysis most of the time, Yeah. And I want to learn fundamentals, If I can use if I can use fundamental skills on the charts, I feel like I'd be a way better trader, right? I feel like I'd be a way, 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 way qualified trader. Like, you know what I'm saying? As for now, I'm qualified with technicals. Technical analysis, that's where I'm qualified. Fundamentals, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. And how do you test someone's qualifications? Look at their win rate. Watch the live sessions. Watch my live sessions. You will see what I'm talking about. That's the real qualification. That's the real qualifications. I open trades in real life. I know your real life. Not the cars, not the women, the cars, the nah, man. Not none of that. None of that. Am I rich? No, not even. Not yet. Not yet. I'm rich in mindset. That's one thing I can tell you. But financially rich? Not yet. Not yet. Right? Am I gonna pretend to be financially rich? No. No way, no Jose. I won't do that. Am I profitable? Now you see, now you're asking a different question. You see, now you're asking a very important question. Am I profitable? Look at the win rate. Down here, it's somewhere here. Look at the win rate. Look at my live sessions. Then you will decide for yourself. You see, now that's a different story. One with qualifications, definitely, obviously. That's the one you got to choose. I mean, obviously. You can't expect someone to build a bridge with no qualifications. Otherwise, hey man, everyone who's gonna use that bridge is gonna be at risk. You have the most important thing in Forex. I don't understand that statement. You have the most important thing in Forex. Please explain. Yeah, some people out here want people to build bridges for them with no qualifications. And they wonder why they fall in the water and crash. All right, guys, we have a closure here, right? And basically, this closure is not looking good, right? We didn't close back in the range, we closed outside of the range, and price is potentially going to play around here before giving us the moves. And guys, you know what? I'm tired. I want tea. I want to drink some tea. I want to, you know what I'm saying, rest a bit. It's a Friday. I want to enjoy myself. And yeah, go about my day here. So I'm gonna call this a session. I'm gonna call it a day. Drop a W in the session, guys, if you found value in this video. And I will see you guys on Monday. Let's go. All right. Mimi, meaning you have skills, you are profitable. Definitely, I am. W, thank you very much, guys. I will see you guys on another one. Peace out. Let's go.